Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can increase your iPhone's ringer volume and make it as loud as possible. Let's get started. Open up your settings application in your mobile device and then inside here, scroll below, tap on Sounds and Haptics right over here. Just like that, this is where all of your ringtone and volume settings are located. Under Ringer and Alert, slide all the way to the right. This directly controls how loud your phone rings. If the slider is locked, you can simply turn the switch that says change with buttons. This allows physical volume button to adjust your ringtone volume. Also make sure silent mode is off. Check the switch on your left hand side of your iPhone. If you see orange, silent mode is on and your phone won't ring. Simply flip the switch to turn off silent mode. After that, turn off your attention aware feature. This feature lowers your ringtone volume automatically when you're looking at the phone. To disable it, scroll below, tap on Face ID and passcode, type in your passcode. Inside here, scroll below again. Then here you will be able to find an option that says attention aware feature. Make sure this button is turned off. This keeps your ringtone at full volume. Now go back to Sounds and Haptics again and then tap on ringtone. Play a tone to check how loud your iPhone is now. And that's it. Your iPhone ringer should now be much louder. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.